Prospects often ask me, will AI replace SDRs? And my answer to that is this is a wrong question. Because when you look at SDR as a role, you need to understand that it has two components, infrastructure and activities. On the infrastructure side, you have data. People usually use ZoomInfo, Apollo, Clay these days. Then you have sending infrastructure. Very often this is some sort of a sequencing tool. So Outreach, Salesloft, Apollo, and a bunch of others. The question there is like, do they include warm-up? Do they take care of the deliverability? Because very often this creates another layer of complexity. So deliverability. Then you have channels like email, LinkedIn, because Salesloft, Outreach, they don't do autonomous LinkedIn, while LinkedIn is one of the most performing channels these days. And then on top of that, you have CRM hygiene. Is it captured in the CRM? Is it captured properly? And handover from SDR to account executive. So that's one layer. And then the second layer is activity, right? Somebody has to write a sequence, sometimes agreed with marketing, execute the sequence across email and LinkedIn, sometimes phone. When LinkedIn steps are manual, calling also manual. And then when somebody replies, correspond, answer follow-up questions, handle objections. So when you think about replacing your SDRs, why are you talking about replacing the action layer or replacing the infrastructure layer? Usually, people are talking only about the action layer, but the truth is that the biggest value of AI SDR is that it replaces both layers, because both layers ensure high quality. If you do good sequencing on a bad list, you will not get any replies. If you do good outreach with a strong offer with low deliverability, you will not get any replies. If you don't take into account your CRM data context, even if you have a perfect list, you will reach out to existing customers and prospects and things will fail. So AI SDRs don't replace SDRs. They create a whole new way of prospecting and building your pipeline, which combines the infrastructure layer and the action layer. Because with AI SDR, we take care of your deliverability. We set up email sending for you, so we make sure that no mistakes happen at that front. We find the latest, greatest, most accurate data sources to make sure that you have the strongest possible list with the most validated emails. And that's how we ensure good results. We synchronize with your CRM to make sure we're not reaching out to existing customers, have context for closed loss reactivation deals, and log every action we do into CRM so that when handoff to account executive happens, we can then share that context with the account executive to close the deal faster. And then we do the action layer. We do the targeting, we do the prospecting across email and LinkedIn fully autonomously. And when somebody replies, AI corresponds, answers follow-up questions, handle objections with the goal to book a meeting, solving the speed to lead issue for you. So the question is not whether AI will replace SDRs. The question is whether you are ready to upgrade your legacy stack of infrastructure tools and people using those tools to AI-first GTM motion, where AI takes the latest and greatest of infrastructure and the latest of greatest of activity to bring you the best possible results. Think about it and let me know what you think.